Ever wondered how to make your adventure footage look professional? Well, you're not alone. Adventure filmmaking is an art, a way to capture the thrill and beauty of our experiences. And today, we're focusing on a game changer in this field, the GoPro HERO11. This versatile action camera can take your videos from good to breathtaking, making every moment count. So, are you ready to step up your adventure filmmaking game? Stay tuned as we delve into the world of GoPro HERO11 and transform your adventure filming skills. Unboxing your new GoPro HERO11 is just the beginning of an exciting journey. As you open the box, you'll find not just a camera, but a tool to capture your adventures in a way that was previously only possible for professional filmmakers. You'll notice the camera itself, compact yet robust, designed to withstand the rigors of your wildest adventures. The GoPro HERO11 comes with a range of accessories to enhance your filming experience. A mounting frame, adhesive mounts, and a battery are all included to get you started right out of the box. The camera's features are where things get really exciting. The GoPro HERO11 boasts a HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization system, providing gimbal-like stability without the need for additional equipment. Its Super Photo feature, meanwhile, ensures you capture stunning stills. The ability to film in 5K resolution means your footage will be incredibly sharp and detailed, while the camera's waterproof design allows for underwater exploration. Now that we've unpacked the GoPro HERO11, it's time to put it into action. Armed with your GoPro HERO11, you're ready to capture the adventure of a lifetime. Let's dive into some filming techniques that will help you get the most out of your action camera. When framing your shots, remember the rule of thirds. Think of your frame as a grid of 9 squares, and try to position your subject along these lines, or at their intersections. This simple technique can dramatically improve your composition. Next, experiment with different angles. A high-angle shot can make a scene appear grand, while a low-angle shot can intensify the action. Switching between different modes and settings on your GoPro HERO11 will also enhance your footage. Use the time warp mode for creating stunning time-lapse videos, or the Super Photo mode for capturing breathtaking still images. And don't forget to play with the camera's field of view settings. Whether it's the expansive Super View or the classic wide, each offers a unique perspective. With these tips and your GoPro HERO11, you're set to create stunning adventure footage. It's time to get out there and start filming. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've dived into the world of adventure filmmaking, exploring the exceptional features of the GoPro HERO11. We've unraveled how to get the most out of your action camera, from setup to capturing those cinematic shots. We've also touched on some creative techniques to advance your footage from ordinary to extraordinary. Now it's your turn. Join the community of adventure filmmakers and start creating with your GoPro HERO11. Shipping, free one. 2-day shipping. Get it between February 13th and February 14th. See details for shipping. Located in Somerset, New Jersey, United States. Returns, 30 days returns. The seller pays for return shipping. Download your free guide now and subscribe for more tips and tricks.